Hey, you don't have to cry. Why are you crying? No, hey, Teddy's got you. Why are you so upset? We were just doing a little tummy time. You're getting good at it. You're gonna start moving. You don't have to be frustrated. Hey, Daddy's got you. Hey, take Daddy's hand. No? Oh, no, you won't. Here. Take Daddy's hand. Take Daddy's hand. Why? Why? What do you, hey. You need your binky? Here. Yeah. I got you. Hey. Daddy's got you. What are you being so upset about? Here, Dad, grab Daddy's finger. It's all right. Daddy loves you. Nothing's gonna happen. I got you. What? Yeah. Oh. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you want to do? You just ate? You just ate? Are you getting tired again? Maybe she's getting tired again. That's got to be awful on my nose. Let's go back a little bit, Brett. Yeah, say hi to the camera. Yeah? Oh, okay, we're having a bad moment.